Here we go.
Hey! No pooping on the beach! Read the sign!
But what do? We have to poop on our friend because he was stung by a jellyfish.
Science.
Okay, 1, no you don't! Because 2, no he wasn't! There are no jellyfish on this beach! He's making it!
What?
What?
What the hell, Oscar?
Look, I'm sorry, guys, but your friend comes here all the time. Love it. We've never had to make a sign for one person before. Oscar! But I guess there's a first time for everything.
Come on, Oscar.
I do believe
Ew!
I do believe in king
Looks like you.
Now I actually really do have to go.
I thought my first time pulling my wiener out on the beach would be different.
That time you came over and you told me not to flush, you got problems.
Excuse me, mister.
No.